Hey guys, I'm Roxette Arisa and you're watching This Week in Beauty with IPSY. So today we're all about getting that easy, breezy hair look when you don't want to spend forever on your locks. I have 3 amazing products that I really wanted to tell you guys about. First off, we have the Oribe Matte Waves Texture Lotion. This stuff is awesome because it adds texture and pieciness and grip to your hairstyles. Whenever you want that super undone kind of look, this is gonna be your go-to guy. You can also add it to your braid and then blow dry and pull this through your hair, I should say, to get that very beachy, I didn't do anything to my hair kind of hairstyle. It's super cute, very effortless, and easy to do. Next up, we have the 12 Benefits Instant Healthy Hair Treatment. This stuff repairs hair damage. It actually only has 6 ingredients in here, so you're not overcomplicating your hair routine by adding a ton of chemicals in there. You're just keeping it nice and simple with the ingredients that you need for healthy hair. You can use it to prime your hair after shampoo and conditioner, so it kind of works as like a leave-in conditioner, a heat protectant. There's tons of benefits like sealing your hair color, moisturizing dry strands, and so much more. 12 benefits to be exact, so lots of good stuff in here. And lastly, we have the Ouai Haircare Volume Spray. So this is a weightless pre-blowout mist, so you could spray it at your roots and all throughout your hair before you blow out your hair, and it gives you that very airy volume, but it never feels greasy. So it's still very lightweight, you're getting that volume that you want, and again, easy and quick to do. So tell us in the comment section, do you spend more time on your makeup or your hair? Personally, I spend way more time on makeup and then I'm super lazy about hair. So these products really come in handy. So also let us know, are there any products that we missed when it comes to like easy hair care heroes? We definitely want to know about that. I need to know about that personally. And speaking of, one of the founders of IGK, Chase Kusero, gave his tips for Ipsters who are short on time but don't want to sacrifice their style. Let's take a look.
Hey guys, it's Chase, co-founder of IGK Hair. I'm here to show you guys 5 easy ways to pull together a quick do. The first way is really simply just to change your part. I think that you can use a little bit of dry shampoo to just switch your parting. If you wear a middle part, you can go to a heavy side part. I think that that's an easiest way to change your hair. The second way to style your hair pretty simply is to take all your hair on one side and simply put 1 to 2 pins. Just makes your hair a little bit more interesting. The third style would be probably like a low bun, using maybe simple 2 hairpins. Use a little bit of dry shampoo, rough your hair up, pull it back, and slide 1 pin in it. The fourth way to style your hair pretty simply is to just do a textured ponytail. Take your current texture as is, maybe add a little bit of Rich Kid on the ends to add a little bit of separation, and then just put your hair back into a ponytail. The fifth way to easily style your hair is just a loose 3-strand braid. You can use a little bit of Rich Kid and a little bit of Mistress in your hair just for a little bit of slip to help your fingers glide through the hair a little bit easier. And then just 3-strand braid your hair, wrap it, and that's it.
My go-to style when I don't have time is actually this one right here, this kind of sleek bun. It's so easy to do. You just kind of pull your hair back, part it in the middle, and you're good to go. I like to put oil in my hair so I can keep it moisturized throughout the day, and it takes less than a minute to add in some oil. So I actually use the Ouai Haircare Hair and Body Oil today, and still looks chic, still looks effortless, but it only took like 3 minutes to do. It's perfect. So what is yours? Tell us in the comment section below. That is all we have time for today, but thank you guys so much for watching and stay tuned for more episodes next week. I'm Roxette Arisa and we'll see you next time on This Week in Beauty with IPSY.